Chainsaw. A chainsaw is a portable mechanical saw powered by electricity, compressed air, hydraulic power, or most commonly a two-stroke engine. It is used in activities such as tree felling, limbing, bucking, pruning by tree surgeons to fell trees and remove branches and foliage, to fell snags and assist in cutting fire breaks in wildland fire suppression, and to harvest firewood. Chainsaws with specially designed bar and chain combinations have been developed as tools for use in chainsaw art. Specialist chainsaws are used for cutting concrete. This machine is mainly used for carpentry, lopping and light pruning, felling and cutting up any large size trees. It is available in 7 models, from domestic usage, available in electric, to professional continuous usage, which is petrol operated.